So my name is Blake Christian. I'm a sound mixer as well as a Gemini. Today's project is the Dice Decide. We have 5 lav packs on talent, and then we have 6 cameras running at the same time, and so that means I need to feed timecode to 6 cameras. So today we were using our little Deity. This guy is really awesome. I love it because it can connect to all the cameras via like one button.
Rolling. Cameras A, D, E, F. Scene 7, take 1. Mark.
Timecode needs to be accurate because, one, it helps with the editing process for post. So when my files are pulled separately from cameras, they can easily match it. Also, it helps the script supervisor knowing when certain markers are for certain actor cues or things in movies and things like that. After 2 days of filming with these, not a frame loss, so it's pretty impressive. When you're doing a multi-camera shoot like this and 6 cameras, and especially an overhead one, and you can't physically get up and check the cameras, tap of a button, sync them all up again just to be safe and verify. And I love it because I can adjust it on the fly. You can just hand this off to the camera department and it's pretty much plug and play depending upon what cables you have. I think the longest part was handing these off to camera department because they were so busy setting up 6 cameras. But other than that though, I mean, it was a breeze for us.